devastation. With more, good evening, Brooke.
That's right, Zach. We partnered with the American Red Cross, and we're having a telethon right now to raise money for those victims of Hurricane Michael. We have volunteers here just waiting to answer your phone calls. We just opened up our lines. We're waiting for those phones to just start ringing. We're going to close at 7, so definitely start calling. We're going to have more on where your money will go and more on those affected. Right now, Hurricane Michael is the 4th largest storm to hit the U.S., and people in the Florida Panhandle are definitely feeling the effects tonight from that devastation. Hundreds and thousands of people just without power, and 20 people so far have died. So they are definitely feeling the effects of that hurricane. And we may be in the Twin Tiers, but there is definitely things we can still do over here to help people over there. And it all starts right here by just picking up that phone. Any amount of money really does go a long way. So you never know who you could help. We've been showing videos and pictures throughout the week of that devastation throughout the Florida Panhandle, whether you've vacationed there or you have family over there, or even if you don't know anyone over there, it really does go a long way. Again, our phones are open until 7 p.m., so definitely give us a call. That number on your screen and on our website, mytwintiers.com.